Hey Ingrid, this is Chelsea. I noticed that you recently filled out a form on our website expressing your interest in purchasing a new home. I'm here to assist you with that.
Okay.
It's essential to find the perfect property to match your desires and investment goals. Can you tell me more about what you're looking for?
I'm looking for a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath for my family.
You're looking for a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom property for your family of 4. That's great. I'll make sure to focus on properties that meet those specifications.
Okay, awesome.
Are there any specific features or amenities that matter most to you in a home? You mentioned that you would love a pool if we can make it work for your budget. And if it has a secondary living room, that would be great too. I totally understand the desire for a pool, especially in the hot Arizona weather. I'll definitely keep that in mind while searching for properties within your budget. And a secondary living room sounds like a great addition as well. I'll make sure to include that in the criteria.
Okay, great. Yeah, I remember putting that in the website when I was first searching. I'm also looking for properties in both Chandler and in Tempe, Arizona, if possible.
Thank you for sharing your preferences. Our team has access to exclusive listings and a deep understanding of the local real estate market. We will curate a list of properties that match your criteria and provide you with detailed information, including virtual tours and any available off-market opportunities. By the way, I noticed you mentioned Chandler and Tempe, Arizona as areas of interest. I'll make sure to include properties from both locations in our search.
Okay, awesome.
To ensure we're on the same page, would you be interested in scheduling a consultation? We can review the listings, discuss your needs, and answer any questions you may have.
Yeah, that would be great. We're looking to buy a house within the next 2 months if possible, so the sooner the better.
That's great to hear. We'll definitely work within your timeline. What day and time would work for you? I want to make sure we find a time that's convenient for you.
Okay. Can you do Tuesday at 4 p.m.?
Next Tuesday at 4 p.m. works perfectly. I've got you locked in for that time. I'll give you a call then to review the listings, discuss your needs, and answer any questions you may have. In the meantime, if you have any other questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Have an amazing weekend. Thank you for considering Integrity Realty. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you.